Good morning! I want to share with you about spirulina. So, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a blue-green algae, organic food which is easily digested without the use of pesticide and herbicides. What does it benefits to us? So, spirulina provides us with a large quantity of antioxidants that our bodies need, loaded of carotenoids and enzymes which help our bodies from premature aging. Medical scientists find spirulina not only stimulates our immune system, but also enhances our body's ability to generate new blood cells. Our immune system defends our bodies against pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and other parasites. It also protects us from cancerous cells and any agent identified as foreign or external. Free radicals that can lead to development of cancers, autoimmune disorders, and weakened ability to fight off infections. Due to the amazing composition of spirulina and being a 100% alkaline food, its nutrients make the trillions of cells in our body stronger and perform optimally, thereby allowing our body to heal itself. Additional benefits that DL spirulina provides are the following: fights stress-related problems, reduces cholesterol level, fights anemia, fights diabetes, protects us from many cancerous cells, balances our digestive system by promoting the growth of lactobacillus bacteria, protects us from hypertension and obesity, helps our brains to function well and stay focused, helps malnourished children to recover in 2 months by giving 1 spoon of spirulina per day. Supreme energy for people like athletes, dieters, children, and elderly. Spirulina is the world's healthiest food that can add years to our life. It strengthens our immune system, anti-aging properties, perfect for vegetarians. No? It boosts our energy because 1 gram of spirulina is equivalent to nutrients of 1,000 grams or 1 kilogram of assorted balanced vegetables and fruits. That was according to United Nations. And also, the World Health Organization declared that spirulina is the greatest superfood on earth because it is fully loaded of antioxidants. So, we should take spirulina every day and throughout our life. Thank you and God bless.